Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can repair your corrupted video files for free and you don't even have to download anything. Now, the method we're going to be using is we're going to be using a website called repair.cleverfiles.com, right? Which is a completely web-based app that you can upload a broken, corrupt, or unplayable video into the internet and it'll repair it for you. So let's try uploading one of my own videos here. Here, I have uploaded one of my old videos. You can see there's also a user survey here. You can describe your issues, but I'm just going to skip and repair. Just let the AI and its tool doing its thing. You can see right now the file is intact. So right now I can just play it like this. See, the video is completely fine now and it's without any issue. So this is how you can help and repair your corrupted video files just like that. If your video file is completely corrupted too, is at a point of no return, this tool may not help, and very little tool in the world could help with that as well, but it doesn't hurt to try this one cleverfiles.com website. So if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.